In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to change the default flashlight and camera icon on your iPhone lock screen. This enhances both functionality and personalization. It allows you to tailor your lock screen to better suit your preferences. To do this, simply swipe up to access your lock screen when iPhone is not locked. Long hold onto your wallpaper and select Customize. Tap onto lock screen. So guys, to remove the camera and torch icons, simply tap on the minus icons and they will get removed. Now if you select on Done, your lock screen won't have no app shortcuts. It will appear just like this. To add other apps, still long hold and select on Customize again. Tap onto Lock. Click on the plus icon to choose what you want to add. Let's say Instagram. There are many applications to choose from. Click on Done to apply. Your lock screen app shortcuts will get added successfully. That's how easy it is to remove the camera and torch icons from your lock screen. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.